Well, I got my new shoes in the mail today, so might as well do an unboxing to keep in step with all the other pointless videos on YouTube. Alright, so these are Kenkohs, and they are made to massage your feet, and I got them from Happy Feet Plus in Clearwater. I don't know if they're the exclusive dealer, but that's where I buy them from. Anyway, they are sandals designed to help with all sorts of feet problems. I don't have plantar fasciitis, but they are helpful for that. As you can see, the pattern, all these nubs on the sole, or the insole, I should say. Got a good tread. I haven't slipped yet on them. I've had one pair already, and they've been fantastic. I've had about a year, but this little clip here at the back broke on one of them, so I had to cut these back straps off. And I prefer to have the back strap so that the shoe doesn't go flying when you're walking, or if you have to run. But yeah, these things are fantastic, and I fully recommend it. If you've got any kind of foot pain, or if you just like to treat your feet well, these are the things. And call Happy Feet Plus in Clearwater, Florida if you need a pair. Make sure you talk to Roger, because he is definitely very knowledgeable. He sold me on the first pair in about 2 seconds after I put them on, and that's why I bought another pair. They have them in brown and black, so yeah, please treat your feet. Thanks for watching.